Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So today's video is about how to freeze multiple panes. Previous video was about how to freeze panes, the top row and the top column. So in today's video we are going to learn how to freeze these multiple columns and how to freeze these multiple rows. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the video. Hey guys, before starting the video, if you are interested in learning Excel and MS Office, please do ping me on the WhatsApp number given below for all the details. It would be completely online course with the completion certificate, the recordings of the course as well as the practice files. Thank you so much. Let's continue on our video. So this is the example for today, Excel file for today. Before I forget, guys, please don't forget to download the practice file from the description box. For each and every video I leave a practice file so that you can download it. It's free of cost and you can practice this after you see my video, so you can be a master in Excel. Okay, so moving on to our examples. So this is the first standard mark sheet. So if you go down till the end, you can only see first standard with division D. These are the student name. You know guys that I'm not good in recollecting student names, so I always write student names. Okay, so this is just a sample data, so this doesn't matter how it works, that matters. And these are subjects. So I have subjects like English, Hindi, Marathi, Maths, Science, History, Geography, Arts, Physical, Training, total, the percentage and the average. So I have so many columns. Above is the how many marks paper it is. English is 50 marks and so on, and the total exam is of 450, and the percentage achieved by the student and average. If I go on the right hand side, see I can't see the student name now. So this is how we are going to find out how to do it. So in the previous example, what we did, we just go to view tab and we just said in the freeze panes. If you guys have missed my previous video, I am leaving the link in the description box as well as in the I button. Please go ahead and watch that. Okay, and if I say freeze top row, see what happens. Okay, only the top row, this number 1, this row is getting freeze. If I scroll down, you can see only subject is visible, rest everything is gone. It is getting scrolled. I go again here, I say unfreeze panes. Now if I scroll, the entire header is gone. Let's try this for the column as well. If I go to freeze panes and say freeze first column, now the first column is been freeze, but if I scroll, the standard division names, everything is not getting freeze. So how to freeze the entire thing and not just the first row and the first column? For that, what you need to do, first you need to understand which columns and which rows you want to be fixed, that should not move. So in my case, in my example, I want this column A, B, C and D to be fixed. Okay, so this thing should not move, this thing should remain constant. Similarly, row number 1, row number 2 and row number 3, these 3 rows should not move. So everything apart from whatever I have selected should move. So how to do that? Okay, so first I have to keep my cursor over here. this is for after the 4 columns which I want to be freezed, and after the 3 rows which I want to be freezed. So I keep my cursor over here. Just to make you understand where I've kept my cursor, I'll just highlight this with a green color. Okay, so I've kept my cursor over here first. This is the first step. Go to view, go to freeze panes and simply click on freeze panes. Okay, once I click on this, you can see a line, a normal line, a painted line appears over here. Now let's see what happens. Okay, if I scroll down, if I go down, see the entire header is fixed. Okay, similarly if I go to my right side of the screen, the columns also fixed. So this is what I wanted. This is how you can freeze multiple rows and multiple columns. If you want to remove this, simply say unfreeze. Now I've showed you for 3 columns, 4 columns or 3 rows, 4 columns. You can do this for n number of rows and columns. If I just want to show for the first standard 1 and English and subject, just an example, I'll keep my cursor over here, that is C4, column number C, row number 4, and I simply say freeze panes. Now only these 2 columns are freeze and these 3 rows are freeze. If you go on the right hand side, you can see these two columns are freeze. Now if I want to remove everything, simply say unfreeze page. So hope you understood how to freeze multiple rows or multiple columns. If you have any questions regarding this or any of my previous video, please feel free to contact me on the below given number or comment me below. I would be more than happy to help you. Guys, we are also conducting MS Excel and MS Office online courses, so if you guys are interested to learn more and to get certified and also to get access to the exclusive group what we have, you can ping me on the WhatsApp number given below. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye.